Hello and welcome to Lawrence Travels. This is the first spooky event of the season for me. We are going to Scream and Stream tonight, which is at Boggy Creek Airboat Adventures. It's about 1 hour for me, so we do have to leave a little bit early to get there on time. I'm very excited for this event. The social media team has been awesome, reminding everyone that the price is per car, not per person. I'm excited because it's something that we can do that's socially distant and safe. You could do it all in your car. You have an opportunity to exit your car and maybe get some food or some merchandise, do a cute photo op. But you're mostly in your car, so I'm very excited for this event. A portion of their proceeds are actually being donated to Second Harvest Food Bank of Central Florida, so I am so happy about that. I like to go to places that are charitable and also helping out the hospitality industry here in Orlando because of COVID-19. So yeah, this should be a fun event. Let's go check it out.
You come into these woods uninvited and unannounced. My followers are going to show you what we do to those who come here without an invitation. Your head! You look particularly beautiful. On this centerpiece on I'll cut you the top one.
Oh,
You have a dream.
creepy.
Those who violate our rights shall be violated! You shall be violated, maggots! Ha ha!
Look at this meal on wheels I see here.
Carving up a little supper. Oh, Fargo style.
Of course, it's just the popcorn that I would have to charge you an arm and a leg. I can see you're clearly dying of thirst, so might I suggest our delicious psychedelic beverage? Oh, you'll be talking about this one for weeks. Best come along now. Make sure you enjoy your drink.
Not alone tonight. That traitor, Kelly, betrayed all of us. Patrick, I don't know where he is. He's missing. He's murdered. The same's gonna happen to you. Hang on. I'm not afraid. Even got one of theirs.
Do y'all have your tickets for the sacrifice tonight? It's going to be a beautiful show. And we've got VIP seats saved just for you. You don't want to miss this. The next show is killer.
Tonight, you get the rare privilege of being a part of one of our rituals. This is Patrick. He has volunteered. Would you like to do the honors?
It would be my pleasure.
Englui, Miglunov, Cthulhu, Rilya, The offering has been most satisfactory. The rest of you get to leave with your lives. Go! Now!
Made you flinch.
Very cute Halloween decorations out here. So we're waiting for our food. I think this is where they do the airboat rides at, but we are not doing that tonight. Just did the drive-through experience. It felt a little short, to be honest, but it was fun. It did rain a little bit, but this event is rain or shine. Thankfully, the rain let up and also the lightning. We got a cool photo op here. I love the skeleton at the table. There's also a little kitty cat here at the table too. Very cool. And then that stage is where the Fog Queen meets, but I don't see her out right now. They've got lots of cute little Halloween decorations around. But I also like this huge spider here. Looks like it had a snack already. And I ordered the bacon and ranch tots. This is a quick look at them. They smell delicious. And there's a pretty big portion here, so definitely shareable. We found some gators, little babies. So cute. These ones are okay. The bigger ones, not so much. Didn't even catch this one. It was right up against the glass. They got a whole table here for merch with the Screamin' Stream shirts. Cool poster right there. They even have like a little vial of fog as an air freshener. This is
Now,
the Fog
before I get
Queen.
started chatting with you tonight, I would like to address one thing. If you have any problems or issues with anything you see tonight, maybe you don't like the things I say, or you're scared of my beautiful face, you can leave your feedback with us after the show at the corner of Get Lost and Kiss My Butt Lane. I'll see you there. Be sure to bring a jacket, though. I hear the sun don't quite shine when you're 6 feet under. Welcome. Now, you do know it's customary when you meet royalty to kneel. But that's okay. It looks like some of you have been on your knees long enough. I won't make you do that.
So we ended up doing the gem mining. Look how much we get, and this was only $10. You get a lot. I think this was the Lucky Strike option, yeah. And they even have like a little cheat sheet, so we're gonna take pictures of this so we know what we got, but definitely recommend. It's a fun activity for all ages. They also have their own hot sauces. I like the Cold-Blooded Killer. He looks very stylish. And the Gatorlicious over here too. There was a fan-based service for Halloween Horror Nights since it wasn't happening this year called Halloween Horror Crate. I ordered the September box and it's based on the scare zones. So let's open it up and see what's inside. If you are interested in getting one of these, I will leave the link in the description box. They are doing one for October and the theme is Cary, Ohio. So right off the bat, I see something holographic, and this is an acrylic pin. It looks like the Alien Invasion scare zone from, I want to say that's 2017. That was a fun year, and it was one of my favorite scare zones, and I really like this holographic bag it came in. Definitely going to reuse that, so I love my pins. This is a good start. I don't know. This kind of looks like the, well, it says Marathon of Mayhem, which was the awesome show from last year on the water. But I don't know what this is supposed to be. Let me read this real quick. Oh, so I think you scan this barcode, and I think I should be able to see something from the show.
So keep your eyes open, keep those PKE meters out, and always remember, don't cross the streams. But what you should remember is, we're ready to believe you.
Ooh, this is from the Vanity Ball House. I think this is like a mask. I'm gonna try it on because it looks very creepy. And it says House of Vanity at the top. This resin mask is hand sculpted and painted by Halloween Horror Crate creator David Kane. Show us your best ball outfit by tagging us in your photos. That's cool. So you can get like a little outfit together for this. But let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's creepy. All right, what else is in here? Crematedplastic.com. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little keychain, and it has the video game systems that they had last year. And Arcade was the scare zone for this cute little game here. And you could see the Universal Monsters on the side of it. Now we have this little pillow. It kind of looks like those things that you throw to knock down, like at the carnivals. It's pretty creepy. I got a candle. This is a pizza fries scented candle. Let's see if it does smell like pizza fries. That's kind of funny. Yep. It smells like pizza. Now I have something that lights up. It looks like a VHS. Let me get a little closer here. So this has Dead Man's Wharf, which was the one that kind of looked like underwater dead people. An Arcade, Vamp 55, Festival of the Deadlies, Port of Evil, Vikings Undead, Psycho Scarabee Unleashed, and Midway of the Bazaar. So there's a bunch of different scare zones there. And I'm gonna see if this does light up for real. Oh yeah, so right inside they have like a little VHS and that lights up. That's pretty cool. This is cool. So this is like a little kind of history of the Chainsaw Drill Team, which has been a classic every year that I've gone to Halloween Horror Nights. And you can always hear where they're at. It's kind of fun to watch people just get scared in that zone too. So this is kind of like a little history of. So I have a print here of Gozer. This looks pretty cool. It was made by Shelby Wendy Guts, and she has actually made artwork for the event. So it's pretty cool to have a little Halloween Horror Nights artwork here in my home. There's also another print here as well. And this is cool. They have some recipes in here. So Horror Bites Pizza Fries tells you how to make the pizza fries recipe. There's also one for mini pumpkin donuts, the Stranger Things waffle extravaganza. And then you can scan this QR code from Ashley and get more recipes and content. So here is that if you guys are interested. Check it out. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna hang this up in my place. This is a hanging pennant flag, and it's from Vamp 55, which was one of the best scare zones in my opinion. And yeah, I think that's kind of cool that they made it. It's like little Halloween Horror Nights decor for your home. I wish they sold more of that in the parks. And the final thing in here is just kind of like a breakdown of all of the things inside of the box and all of the different scare zones that are featured. So I really like this box. I like that it's fan created and fan put together. My favorite thing definitely is going to be this print. I have to find a really cool place for it. Maybe in this little Halloween setup that I have behind me. And that was our visit to Scream and Stream and unboxing the Halloween Horror Crate box number 2. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments down below and stay tuned. I've got a lot of spooky plans for this month for videos, so I'm really excited to share with you. And I'll see you next time on Lauren's Travels. Bye!